So for 5 questions. So here today we start with the first question. So please subscribe to this channel because we are going to see 5 questions in botany regularly and which will be useful to you. So the first question we see that is a meristematic cell. So that spends most of its time dash of cell cycle. So here the options given are prophase, anaphase, telophase, and interphase. So the correct answer would be the correct answer is interphase. So how it is interphase? Because the cells that are regularly that spends time for the division, it will be the interphase only. So here we can say a solution that is a regularly dividing cells. A regularly dividing cell spends most of its time in interface. Because the interface that lasts for about 95% of the time that is it spends in the interface. Only that EM phase, so meaning that includes prophase, metaphase, anaphase, tuberphase, and everything. So the M phase that lasts for nearly only 5% of total duration of cell cycle. Duration of cell cycle. So that means, for example, in human cell division, it lasts for 24 hours, but it spends 23 hours for the interphase and remaining 1 hour for the AM phase. That is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, followed by cytokinesis, resulting two daughter cells. See the next question. So each turn of Krebs cycle each turn of Krebs cycle produces. So that means the TCA cycle options given here are 2 molecules of FADH2, 3 molecules of carbon dioxide, 2 molecules of NADPH2, and the fourth option is 1 ATP. So here we can say that each turn, that is one turn, there are 3. So here we can say that in one turn, only 1 ATP is produced. So that is the correct answer. Because only the 2 turns of Krebs cycle, 2 turns of this Krebs cycle, that only produces, here we can say that So it releases 4 carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of NADH2 and 2 molecules of FADH2 and 2 ATPs. So meaning here, when it gives 2 ATP in 2 turns, so in 1 turn, 1 ATP is the correct answer. Go to the next question. That is the plant growth hormone, which we call it as a plant growth regulators, so which causes delay in delay in ripening of fruit. Yes. So that causes delay in ripening. So listen to the question carefully. So that causes delay in ripening, that is auxin, cytokinin, ethylene, fourth is the gibberellins. So delay in ripening. So that promotes ripening will be ethylene, right? So delay in ripening, obviously ethylene will not come. And then, so here we can say that the gibberellin is the correct answer. So that delays in the ripening because the gibberellins. So the gibberellins here we can say that will delay senescence. That means aging because it will extend the market period of that fruit. So it extend the market period of the fruit. If this needs to be carried to the longer distance, it should not be ripened that much quickly. So it helps in increasing the shelf life of the fruit. So we'll move to the next question. The citric acid. Citric acid is commercially produced. So it's commercially produced from. So which of the organisms? So lactobacillus, Clostridium, Aspergillus niger, or the yeast we call it as a Saccharomyces. So here we can go for the answer Aspergillus niger. So this species of this fungus, so that produces the citric acid commercial. So we go to the next question. In which of the following complex ion center, that is FES centers or absent? The complex say complex one. So complex 3. So here we can say that so where this ion center is absent, it is absent in complex 4. So here the complex 4, it is otherwise called as cytochrome oxidase. So here it does not have any ion center. So the ion center is absent in complex. Thank you for listening. And we will see the next Superfy questions tomorrow. And subscribe the channel for to improve with the each questions because the step-by-step actions will lead to the big changes. So follow the channel, children, and get benefited. Thank you, children.